Sadly, knowledge has a way of producing rotten fruit, the type of prideful and puffed up behavior that creates stumbling blocks for both our brothers and sisters in Messiah and to the lost who see this contentious and divisive behavior constantly taking place in the assembly. Do not be deceived. We will give an account for every word we speak and type. Don't let the Master Yahushua return to find you beating your fellow servants. Let us always remember the second greatest commandment, for there is nothing more important than loving and encouraging one another in these last days. Think about it. Instead of humility, we have pride. Instead of unity, we have division. Instead of understanding, we have discord. And instead of order, we have confusion. All attributes of the evil one. Remember, our Messiah said, "A house divided against itself cannot stand." That's Mark chapter 3, verse 25. My brothers and sisters, were we called out of darkness in these last days to win arguments about the Sabbath and the calendar? Or were we called out to walk with each other in the Father's instructions, be a light to the nations, and preach the gospel of the kingdom? Let us examine ourselves daily and never lose sight of what walking in Torah is truly about. And let us never be like the Pharisees that our Master Yahushua rightly rebuked. Let us continue fighting the good fight of faith, and not one another. I want you to know that I love you and I support your search for the truth. We are all constantly learning, and ultimately we must study to show ourselves approved and be convinced in our own minds. Simply put, if you are in Messiah, then you are my brother or sister. The Messiah will come and sort out any of our misunderstandings. So let us do our best to never steal the judgment seat of our Master and start casting our brothers and sisters into the lake of fire over a difference in doctrine. Remember, we will be judged by the measure in which we judge, and I believe our differences are a huge fruit test. Let me know where you stand on this topic in the comments below. We always welcome discussions and even friendly debates, as long as they're done in a loving and biblical way. Thank you all very much for watching. The Most High willing, we post new content every single week. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more scripture and context. Shalom.